right, sorry about that. I forgot that the screencast-o-matic stops at 15 minutes and I thought I'd get it finished, but here's the last few steps. So once you have your 6 places, now you'll see I actually have more than 6, all right, because I got kind of excited about my trip. So I have more than 6 places, and I actually have a stop in all of the 6 different countries. So, and you only need to do 4 countries and 6 locations. But once you're finished, so I have the name of my location with the country, I have at least 1 picture, and I have my description of what it is, what's, some research that I did about it and why I want to go there. So once you have all of that finished, then you will go up here and you'll hit the save, which we've already done, all right? And then when you're done editing, you're going to click Done Editing, all right? And then it will be ready to go. And you'll see that mine is now finished. And now it looks like it did at the beginning where you can just click on each one and there's all that other stuff is gone. So when you're done and you have all of your trip made, then you're going to click on this blue share button and it will look like this. The first thing you need to do is go down here where it says private, and you're going to hit change. Click it to anyone who has the link, and then hit save. So it'll look like this. Anyone who has the link can view. So far, so good. So do that. Then you're going to highlight this link. Right click. You're going to copy it. Or on your Chromebook, if you don't have a mouse, all right, you'll hit your control keys. You'll copy this, and then you're going to paste this link into Odysseyware, where it says Special Project, and then you'll submit it. If you you need to do that. If you also want to email it to me because it makes you nervous and you want to make sure I get it, you can copy it and then send it to me in an email. Or you could invite me down here. All right, if you want to type in jray@MASD student, you can do that too, okay? And then, there you go. And then you hit share and save. And then you've now invited me and I can view it, all right? Or you can just send the link to me. Either way works, all right? And now it's done and you're finished. So if you have questions or you have problems about how to do your TourBuilder, send me an email, let me know. I'll have some Zoom sessions set up. You should be doing this every week. So you'll notice that each week you only have maybe 3 lessons sometimes in a week, and that's so that you have time to work on your TourBuilder. So the first week you should do maybe your first stop or 2 in Brazil, and then in the second week we're doing Colombia, and then the third week we're doing Venezuela and the smaller countries. So each week, if you work on this, you'll have it finished by the end. So if you have any questions or problems, let me know. Good luck, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you dream big. Think of really cool things that you could see and do that you couldn't do in Mechanicsburg. And I look forward to checking out your tours. See you guys. Bye.